Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and become one of my YouTube friends. If you're already one of my YouTube friends, hey friend, hey. This is the outfit of the night events edition. So this first outfit, I was actually going to the St. Brown bowling charity event. St. Brown is a player from the Detroit Lions. So it was more casual because it was a like a bowling event. So it's nothing dressy formal charity event. It's more of an active event. So I wore this shirt. I just think it's a cute little top. But my mom bought it, I think from Ross. Actually, Ross for Less, I think is where she got that shirt from. Cargo style pants are from Fashion Nova. Boots are from DSW. Jacket is rest in peace to Forever 21. It's like the last thing I bought from them, but RIP to them. Detroit hat, because like I said, it's still sports type event, casual but active. And Glamaholic lifestyle flat bag, which you'll see throughout the whole video. Now, me and my friend ended up playing ping pong instead of doing the bowling. We ended up playing ping pong in this outfit. So I honestly could have went even more casual had I known we were truly going to be active. But we had a ball. It was a great time. Outfit was a great little fit for the event where we were going. Look number 2 is actually for a sister date. Me and my sister were going to the Candlelight concert. So you can play it up and dress more formal. I decided to just kind of do like a casual cute, mainly because at the time of this it was colder, so your outfit's getting covered with a coat anyway. A lot of people did get a little dressier, have more like formal dresses. If it's warmer climate, then I would even do like a slip dress. You could easily do something like that for the candlelight concerts. They're very sexy, moody, vibey events. So you can do like casual cute and dress it up, or you can go even formal and do like a dress. I wore this cardigan from Amazon, tank top from Shein, jeans were from Fashion Nova, same boots that you see in the previous, and same bag as well from the first look. All right, y'all, I'm headed to an opera, and this is the dress. Really haven't put the whole look together, put it together in my head. Let's hope for the best. Let's see how it comes together. Okay, y'all, here's the dress. What do we think? I think I like it. I'm gonna keep my hair pulled back like this. I feel a tag or something. Something's poking me. I don't like it. Anyway, this is dress, Glamaholic lifestyle stockings, and let me get the boots. Okay, so here's pretty much the look. Dress from Amazon, stockings, Glamaholic lifestyle, boots. If you've been around, these are my old faithful from Charlotte Russe back when they said they were closing. And I got these very, very cheap. These boots will have to break down on me for me to stop wearing them. Do you hear me? Glamaholic bucket bag, because I just wanted a pop of color. This is my pop of color. And this coat that I got off of Amazon. Right, this is what I'm wearing, and I'm about to be headed out the door. Let me know in the comments what y'all think of these looks. Toodles!